The tiered rate structure within MyEyedro allows you to define specific rates depending on how much electricity has been consumed to date per month. Double-click on a tier to modify any of its fields. Here you can set the label, kilowatt-hour range, and cost. In this case, I'm going to rename this to middle tier. Going to reduce this and increase, as well as adjust the price. As you can see, when you modify the kilowatt-hour range, the surrounding tiers will automatically adjust as to not leave any gaps. The keyword max is used to represent an arbitrarily large kilowatt-hour usage. It is important to note that the first tier must start at 0 and the last tier must end at max, ensuring total coverage. To add a tier, click the Add Tier button. In this case, we will call it Middle Tier 2. And we will once again adjust the values. And everything is updated. To delete a tier, select it from the list and click the Delete Tier button. Once again, the kilowatt-hour usage has adjusted accordingly. Thank you for watching.